Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Tome of Power Collector Commendation. This achievement involves finding and delivering all 5 unique tomes of power. These valuable tomes are hidden within ashen chests, which can be found across the Sea of Thieves. To access them, you'll also need ashen keys. It's a journey that often requires strategic planning and cooperation with your crew, but the rewards are well worth the effort for any dedicated pirate. Finding ashen chests is your first major step. The most reliable way to acquire them is by defeating ashen lords, who appear as world events marked by a large red skull cloud. Once vanquished, they drop an ashen chest. You can also find these chests by completing skeleton forts or engaging in skeleton fleet battles, both of which are indicated by distinct red beacons in the sky. Keep an eye out for these fiery signals. Once you have an ashen chest, you'll need an ashen key to open it and reveal its treasures, including the tomes. Ashen keys are often dropped by ashen key masters, special skeleton captains with glowing red eyes that can be found on various islands. Alternatively, you can fish for ashen key stashes, which are small, glowing bottles that, when opened, reveal the location of a buried ashen key. Both methods require a bit of luck and persistence. With your ashen chests opened and tomes in hand, the final step is delivery. Each of the 5 unique tomes of power must be sold to the bilge rats. You can find the bilge rat's representative, Larina, at any outpost tavern. Once you have successfully sold all 5 distinct tomes of power, you will officially earn the Tome of Power Collector Commendation, marking your achievement in the Sea of Thieves.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.